Welcome, food enthusiasts. Today, we embark on a culinary journey through the vibrant streets of China to uncover the secrets of a beloved dish, braised beef noodle soup. Join me as we explore the rich history and hidden facts behind this iconic Chinese delicacy. Ancient origins. Braised beef noodle soup has a history dating back to the Tang Dynasty, where it was enjoyed by emperors and commoners alike. Originally a simple dish made with beef, noodles, and spices, it has evolved over the centuries into a culinary masterpiece. Regional variations across China. Different regions have their own unique variations of braised beef noodle soup, each with its own special ingredients and flavor profiles. In the north, the soup may be robust and spicy, while in the south, it tends to be sweeter and milder. Symbolism in Chinese culture. Beef noodle soup holds symbolic significance in Chinese culture, representing warmth, comfort, and familial love. It's often enjoyed during family gatherings and special occasions, bringing people together around the dinner table. Culinary tradition. The art of braising beef for noodle soup requires patience and skill, as the meat is slow-cooked until tender and infused with aromatic spices and herbs. Chefs take pride in perfecting their recipes, passing down their techniques from generation to generation. Health benefits. Beyond its delicious taste, braised beef noodle soup is also packed with nutrients and protein, making it a wholesome and satisfying meal. The broth is rich in collagen and minerals, while the beef provides essential vitamins and amino acids. Art of noodle making. The noodles used in braised beef noodle soup are often handmade using traditional techniques passed down through generations. Skilled noodle artisans meticulously knead and stretch the dough to achieve the perfect texture and thickness, resulting in noodles that are firm yet tender. Lunar New Year tradition. In northern China, braised beef noodle soup is a traditional dish enjoyed during the Lunar New Year festivities. It's believed that eating noodles symbolizes longevity and prosperity for the coming year, making it a must-have dish for the holiday celebration. Secret spice blends. Each region in China has its own secret spice blend for braised beef noodle soup, passed down through generations of chefs. These spice blends often include a combination of star anise, cinnamon, Sichuan peppercorns, and other aromatic ingredients, imparting a unique flavor profile to the dish. Street food sensation. In bustling cities across China, braised beef noodle soup is a popular street food option, served up piping hot from food stalls and noodle carts. It's the perfect on-the-go meal for busy commuters and hungry travelers looking for a quick and satisfying bite. Culinary contests. Braised beef noodle soup competitions are held annually in various cities across China, where chefs showcase their skills and creativity in preparing this beloved dish. Judges evaluate the flavor, texture, and presentation of each bowl, crowning the winner as the master of beef noodle soup. Seasonal ingredients. Traditional recipes for braised beef noodle soup often incorporate seasonal ingredients to enhance its flavor and freshness. In the summer, chefs may add fresh tomatoes and green onions for a lighter, more refreshing broth, while in the winter, hearty root vegetables like carrots and daikon radish provide warmth and depth of flavor. Regional specialties. Each region in China has its own unique twist on braised beef noodle soup, resulting in a diverse array of regional specialties. For example, in Lanzhou, hand-pulled noodles are the star of the dish, while in Taiwan, a spicy, aromatic broth made with beef bones and spices is favored. Noodle etiquette. In Chinese culture, slurping noodles is not only acceptable but encouraged as a sign of appreciation for the meal. The loud slurping sound is believed to enhance the dining experience by aerating the noodles and allowing the flavors to fully develop on the palate. Historical significance. Braised beef noodle soup has been mentioned in Chinese literature dating back to the Tang Dynasty, where it was praised for its nourishing qualities and comforting taste. Over the centuries, it has remained a beloved dish enjoyed by people from all walks of life. Modern innovations. While traditional recipes for braised beef noodle soup are cherished, modern chefs have embraced innovation by experimenting with new ingredients and techniques. From sous vide beef to fusion-inspired broths, these contemporary twists on a classic dish continue to push the boundaries of culinary creativity. Symbolism of ingredients. Each ingredient in braised beef noodle soup carries its own symbolic meaning in Chinese culture. For example, beef symbolizes strength and prosperity, while noodles represent longevity and happiness. With its ancient origins, regional variations, cultural symbolism, culinary tradition, and health benefits. Braised beef noodle soup is much more than just a bowl of soup. It's a culinary journey through the heart and soul of China. Don't forget like, comment, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.